Hi everyone, thank you for joining us today. In this video we're going to be going over how to add SOLIDWORKS inspection to your SOLIDWORKS installation. First thing we'll want to do is go into our control panel and we'll want to uninstall a program. In this list we'll go ahead and find our SOLIDWORKS installation and click Change to modify the installation. Once we click Change, the installation manager will appear and we'll select the Modify the individual installation. Then we'll see a list of our serial numbers and we'll want to make sure the SOLIDWORKS inspection checkbox is checked and we'll enter in our serial number there. Once you click Next, it'll check and confirm your serial numbers with the activation server, and then we'll be presented with our product selections. Here we'll find again the SOLIDWORKS inspection node and make sure that is checked on and click Next. Then we'll be presented with a summary of our installation where we can review the installation location. And then we'll click Modify. The installation will proceed to be modified, and on the last page when the installation is complete, it's good practice to join the Customer Experience Improvement Program to help SOLIDWORKS diagnose any problems with the SOLIDWORKS installation. So now that we've added SOLIDWORKS inspection to our installation, we have two choices now. We can either use the inspection standalone application or the inspection add-in within SOLIDWORKS. To turn the add-in on, we'll need to start up SOLIDWORKS and go to our Add-ins Manager, and we'll scroll down to find the inspection add-in and click the left checkbox. If you click the right checkbox, that'll turn it on startup, so every time you start SOLIDWORKS you will have it. Now, once you've added it in, the SOLIDWORKS Inspection tab will appear on your Command Manager, and now we're ready to use Inspection Add-in.